When a man was sleeping, suddenly, a goat licked him awake. He took off his blindfold and was horrified. He was hanging from a cliff 10,000 meters high. The clouds beneath his feet were so deep that he couldn't see the bottom. He looked up and realized his parachute was stuck in an old tree. He barely survived, but the cliffs around him were covered with ice. There was no way to climb up. Suddenly, he had an idea. He took off his shoes. He stuck a dagger in his shoe as a climbing tool. He started to climb up a little bit. Unfortunately, the dagger was of poor quality. It broke halfway up. He soon slid. Fortunately, the parachute saved him, but the old tree couldn't hold on much longer. He cut the parachute cord with his knife. He barely escaped, but he lost his support, and then he looked up and saw the goat jumping off the cliff, and he had an idea. He imitated the goat's movements with his hands and feet to support himself between the cracks. He carefully climbed up the cliff. He finally found a place to stand, but the ice began to break under his feet. He jumped in a hurry and stepped on a goat and jumped to the cliff's edge, but to his surprise, there was a goat standing at the top of the cliff. Suddenly, the goat hit him, almost knocking him off the cliff. When the goat hit him again, he immediately grabbed the horns of the goat and climbed up with the help of the ram's strength. He survived in the end. He calmed the ram. He had to keep a low profile, for his mission had just begun.